Huh?
Hello!
What's that?
The Santa Claus is here!
What's that? What's this?
The bird!
The bird?
They're so cute! They're so cute!
Bird?
Oh, yeah.
They don't know what they're doing.
Is that bird?
Oh, Santa Claus. What's your... Can you read your letter to Santa?
A letter?
What's your letter? What's the letter?
So, the message from school, the one
Okay, read first.
message from school, I don't know where is the message from school anymore.
No, it's there. Oh, not there?
Yeah, I was supposed to.
Libre ka yan yan. Oh, this your...
They're so cute.
To bring that one, Nanay.
I know, Santa Claus. What's your letter there?
The
haven't
thing
read
that I think the rest of it was Santa Claus was like, it's a big decision to make because it's a decision to make as a family. So I'm so excited for a parent. I know that you're trying to your best to give me what I want. I hope you try to do it. P.S. Merry Christmas.
Then your wish was granted, no Santa Claus. Oh, so...
Like it,
See,
Vic?
they're looking
Huh?
at you.
Yeah.
Hi. Welcome to our house.
What should I call that? These two.
Okay.
I'll do that for you.
You do. What do you think?
What you gonna say to the Santas?
Thank you, Santa Claus.
You're welcome.
Welcome!
What should I call this one?